In this video, I would like to bring to light the testimony from Patrick Bramlett, a former spouse of District Judge Laura STRATHMANN, where by his own admission, he testified that the grounds of their annulment was fraud. Bramlett's testimony was heard on the 388 courthouse before STRATHMANN and Judge Roy Ferguson on July 31st, 2017. The purpose of the hearing was to seek a recusal from STRATHMANN on family case number 2014 DMC 6244. In simpler terms, this hearing was held to seek the withdrawal of STRATHMANN on the grounds that there was a possible conflict of interest, lack of impartiality due to the marriage, divorce, and subsequent annulment between STRATHMANN and Bramlett, whom both are serving as opposing attorney and sitting judge on said family case. The information was obtained from the transcript from the aforementioned case. 3 takeaways the community of El Paso should be informed of. Bramlett's confirmation that he has practiced family law for 10 to 12 years prior to the annulment, understood the meaning of fraud, and declared that the annulment met the definition of fraud in at least 3 occasions throughout the hearing. Yet the basis of the fraud for their annulment was never disclosed. Number 2, Bramlett's disclosure that the company he formed with STRATHMANN earned $500,000 annually during a period of 6 to 9 years. And I'm concerned how STRATHMANN has maintained her lifestyle after becoming district judge. Also, the date of when STRATHMANN became judge and the dissolution of her business is also questionable. It's not clear if STRATHMANN held on to her business while serving as district judge. It appears that STRATHMANN and Bramlett were still in partnership business while she was a judge. Number 3, in the transcript, STRATHMANN alleged that petitioner and respondent entered into the marriage by fraud. Neither party fully disclosed the situational aspects surrounding the other party at the time, and neither party fully disclosed the situational aspects, so all relevant facts and circumstances were known by all before the marriage. Petitioner and respondent have not cohabitated since learning of the fraud. What this means is that something existed before the marriage. There is an umbrella in fraud that includes misrepresentation, lies, etc. Again, there is no basis for the fraud, and fraud does not complete the basis for annulment. Now, why is this important, and why should it concern you? I firmly believe that the person handling the most sensitive family cases, such as district judge, should have an impeccable record. The person holding the seat of a district judge must be held to higher standards, morals, and ethics. In his testimony, Bramlett did not indicate the basis of the fraud. What are the grounds for the annulment? What are the material facts of the annulment? There are so many open-ended questions. If STRATHMANN was able to backdoor her way to an annulment, what makes you think that she's not capable of backdooring her way through your family case? Most people, me included, view the matter of marriage as a serious and sacred coming together of 2 people. If STRATHMANN is not able to view marriage as a family value, then what role is she playing as district judge, where the interests of the most precious and innocent are taking place? Further, it is unknown the relationship between STRATHMANN and Bramlett to date. Yet STRATHMANN has allowed Bramlett to present cases before her in her court despite the appearances that there might be a conflict of interest, and has never reclused herself from such cases even when asked to. The 388 needs a new judge that shares our family values.